Look at this channel. It has around 205K followers, and every video they post is simply an animal POV video. But if you check their views, they are getting massive numbers on almost every upload. Let's watch one of their videos. As you can see, it's just a fish POV video underwater. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create this type of content. First, open the prompt document I provided in the description. Copy the entire master prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Once you paste it, ChatGPT will generate multiple video ideas for you. Just wait until it finishes generating them. You will get around 15 different ideas. From those, choose the one you like. For this example, I'll choose the tortoise idea, which is option number 11. All you need to do is type the number of the option you want, and ChatGPT will start generating all the required prompts, including the image prompt and the animation prompts. Wait until ChatGPT finishes generating the full response. Once it's done, copy the first prompt, which is the image prompt. Now open Flow AI and create a new project. Make sure the settings are the same as the ones I used. Then paste the image prompt into Flow AI and generate the images. Wait for the images to load. Once the images are ready, select the one that looks the best to you. After selecting it, download the image in 2K resolution and upscale it. Now we'll move on to a free tool that can help animate the image. I usually use Grok AI for my videos. Open Grok AI and go to the left side tab called Imagine. After that, click on the video option and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then click the image icon and upload the image you downloaded from Flow AI. Once the image is uploaded, go back to ChatGPT and copy the second block, which is the motion prompt. Sometimes Grok AI may start generating automatically, so cancel that and paste the motion prompt there. Then start generating the video and wait for it to finish. The generated video will be around 6 seconds long. You might wonder how we can make a longer video with just 6 seconds. Grok AI has a feature called Extend Video, which allows you to continue the scene. Click on Extend Video, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the third block, which is the next motion prompt. Paste it into the Extend Video section and generate the extended clip. Now the video will be longer. Let's check the result. It looks very realistic. If you want to make it even longer, you can extend it again. Click Extend again and copy block 4 from the ChatGPT response. Paste it into Grok AI and extend the video once more. You can continue extending the video as many times as you want. If you are planning to post this on TikTok, you can extend it up to 10 blocks to create a 1-minute video, which can help with monetization. For this example, I created 3 extensions, making the video about 18 seconds long. Now, let's download the video and check the final result. If you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.